Let's be honest, the affiliate marketing grind is real. Are you tired of promoting endless Amazon products, celebrating tiny 2% commissions, and feeling like you're on a hamster wheel? You drive thousands of clicks just to make a few dollars, constantly battling for attention in oversaturated markets. It's a volume game, and frankly, it's exhausting. What if I told you that the entire model you've been taught is fundamentally flawed for generating life-changing income? If that sounds familiar, then this video is going to completely recalibrate how you see affiliate marketing. We're not talking about a small tweak or a new traffic source. We're talking about a fundamental shift in strategy, moving from a game of pennies to a game of thousands. Today, I'm exposing affiliate marketing's best-kept secret, the world of high-ticket physical products. This is a niche where a single sale can generate a commission that surpasses what you'd make from hundreds, even thousands, of typical Amazon sales. Imagine earning a four-figure commission from one referral. That's the power we're unlocking. And let me be crystal clear, this is not about selling courses. This is not about crypto or NFTs. It's not even about the crowded SaaS space. We are talking about tangible, high-value physical goods that businesses and affluent customers are already purchasing every single day. Think industrial machinery, medical equipment, luxury home goods, and renewable energy systems. These are real products with real substantial commissions. And the best part? Almost no one in the mainstream affiliate world is talking about it. This isn't just an opportunity. It's a wide-open blue ocean, waiting for smart marketers to claim their territory. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how. Welcome back to Online Biz Breakthrough. This is the channel where we cut through the noise, ignore the fleeting trends, and focus exclusively on building strategic, sustainable income systems that actually work for the long term. We don't chase hype here, we build real businesses. Many of you saw our deep dive exposing the biggest lies in affiliate marketing, the myths that it's passive from day one or that you need a massive audience to succeed. The response was incredible, and the number one question you asked was, okay, I get it. But how do I actually get approved for the good programs? Today we answer that question and go even deeper. We're moving beyond theory and into a practical step-by-step playbook. I'm going to reveal the three-part framework that gets you accepted into high-ticket affiliate programs, even if you're just starting out with a small audience. We'll cover how to position your brand, what to put in your application, and the exact outreach templates that brand managers can't ignore. So stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have the precise strategy to unlock those lucrative partnerships. Let's be honest, Amazon affiliate marketing used to work, but today, ultra-low commissions, short cookie durations, massive competition, zero control. You're doing all the work for pennies. That's not a business, that's a traffic donation program. Here's what most affiliates don't realize. High-ticket physical products pay 10%, 20%, sometimes 30% plus per sale, on products priced at $1,000, $3,000, even $10,000. One sale can earn $300 to $2,000 without creating anything yourself. These offers are not on Amazon, they live inside manufacturer direct programs, private affiliate networks, niche supplier partnerships, examples of profitable niches, home improvement and solar medical and wellness equipment, industrial and B2B tools, luxury fitness and mobility products. These companies want affiliates, but don't advertise it publicly. This is where most people think they'll get rejected. You won't, if you do this. 1. Create a simple niche website or channel. 2. Publish 3 to 5 pieces of relevant content. 3. Apply directly through the company's website. You don't need massive traffic. Companies care more about quality positioning, brand, alignment, buyer intent. High-ticket products don't need hype, they need trust. The best content formats, product comparisons, is it worth it, reviews, buyer guides, problem-solution videos. You're not selling, you're helping buyers decide. Here's the real breakthrough. One high-ticket offer, plus consistent content. Once you can reach what's one big, long-term, compounding commissions. Ad automation later, email follow-ups, retargeting, AI content creation. This is how solopreneurs win in 2026. So, if you're ready to graduate from the endless grind of promoting low-commission platforms and finally start building a business that generates substantial, life-changing affiliate income, I've put together the exact resource you need. Don't waste hours searching and getting rejected. I've compiled a curated list of the top-tier networks we discussed today, the ones that actually value their partners and pay commissions that reflect that value. The link is waiting for you in the comments and the description below. This is your direct path to finding and applying for programs that can truly transform your earnings. If you found this breakdown valuable, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And, speaking of what's next, I want to hear from you. If you want a complete A to Z walkthrough video on setting up your first high-ticket funnel, from the landing page to the email follow-up sequence, comment high ticket below. If enough of you ask for it, that's exactly what I'll build for you in the next video. This is Online Biz Breakthrough. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.